it's Adam here from SatNav Systems, and today I want to show you the park assist upgrade installed in this Audi Q5. We just completed this, so just want to show you the operation, how it works, how it performs and all that, and how it looks as well. So to start with, I mean, the first thing you will notice when you get to the car, you get this switch here. This is the new addition. So this bank of switches obviously is standard, but not all the switches are there. So with this in mind, when you get a park assist, you get this extra switch here. So when you press that, it activates, as you can see on the screen, the park assist mode, and from here you can start operating it. At the moment it's showing the left side. I mean, you indicate using the indicate stalk which side you want to park in. So you tell the system left, which is this side, or right, and then it's this side. So we're gonna try to park here between our van, SatNav van, and another car. There's also a motorcycle there, so there'll be a bit more tricky for the system to get the car in there. But let's see how it performs. So I'll select the drive. Actually, it's already selected. So I'm just gonna release and just drive forward, so the car can scan the area where we want to park and let us know if it found the space. So we're just moving slowly. And you can see it already did find it, showing it here, and it tells us just move forward a little bit. So we do, and we stop. Now it says select the reverse gear. So this is the moment when we change the gear, and the steering assistance is active now. So you don't touch the steering wheel now. Now it just car operates the steering wheel. What we do, we just operate the brake pedal for the car to control the speed of the car, moving speed basically. So if you have a look, it's moving, and it's seeing the motorcycle there, it's seeing the car that is there, so it parks between them. Okay, we're just moving a little bit more. It will tell us. Okay, there you go. Now it tells us to move forward, so I select the forward gear. You can see the steering wheel is turning itself. I'll try to angle it. So there you go. So I'm moving it slow. I'm not touching it. The steering is moving on its own, and we're moving forward. There you go. Stop now and select the reverse gear again. So I'll do that, and there you go. So you can see you've got the motorcycle there, you've got the car there. It's got the perfect space between. So I'm going to reverse into it. The steering wheel will adjust if it needs to, otherwise we just reverse into this place. I'm not touching it, and brake pedal and select forward gear again. It probably just wants to adjust it a little bit more. There you go, moving a little bit forward again, select the reverse gear, and moving back. So there we go. It's coming, forward again. It's gonna adjust it a little bit more. It's a lot of adjusting, I must say, but well, it just probably wants to find the perfect space for us to get in there. So reversing, that's it, we parked. So I'm gonna put the lever into the park mode. And let's just have a look. Just need to unclip the seat belt. Let's see how it looks. So here we go. You can see the car is parked perfectly in the middle. So there you go. So yeah, the system works definitely, and you can just see for yourself. It's very reliable. It helps parking, especially big cars like this SUV. So if you live in London and any town centers you want to park the car in, the car can do it itself these days. So it's just a fantastic feature. We offer this fully installed to the factory specification, 3 years warranty. For more information, please go to our website satnavsystems.com and click on contact us to fill in the inquiry form with all the details, or you can email us directly, info@satnavsystems.com. Thank you.